It was the first week of January in 2017 when I decided to go on a trek till Prashar Lake in Himachal Pradesh with my brother. A Himachal Roadways bus leaves every morning at around 8 am for Prashar Lake. But since this was the first week of January, it would drop us till a point on the road that was open. Somewhere on our way, the bus had to stop as a recent landslide had blocked the road. Many people had to come together and help in clearing of the road. A single lane path was created, narrow enough for the vehicles to pass, till the time road is cleared by the authorities. As we reached the last point, we had a quick breakfast and started walking towards the lake at around 11 am. In the beginning, there was a little rain and snow. But the weather turned from bad to worse while we were midway. We kept on walking in knee-deep snow, but the blinding snowfall and falling temperatures made it extremely hard to walk. Our guide asked us to stop at a small hut and wait for the storm to pass. We thought of taking a break there and then continue our trek if it stopped snowing. It was already 3 pm and we were really hungry. The guide made rajma roti for us and our wait for the storm to pass continued for the entire night. Next day, we decided to turn back as there was no improvement in the weather. Since walking was becoming difficult on the snow, we took a short path through the forest. But the slippery slopes and the snow falling from the treetops made it an equally harder journey. I can't wait to go back there again. This time actually reaching till the lake.